Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.2 of knowing our numbers. Exercise 1.2. So in these questions we have successor, predecessor, prime numbers, composite numbers. If we know the meanings of these words, it is easy to solve these problems. So before going to the exercise, I will tell you the meaning of this first. What is successor and what is predecessor? Successor and predecessor nothing but before number, after number. So predecessor means before number. Successor means after number. We used to learn in our first class, second class sections, we used to learn before number and after number. And when we are growing up, when the next classes are coming, so the words will change, predecessor and successor. So now if I have 22, what is my predecessor and what is my successor? 21 is my before number, which is predecessor. 23 is my successor, which is the after number. This is a simple thing. And moving on to prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers, composite numbers means if any number having two factors as 1 and the number itself, it is called prime number. If any number having two factors as 1 and the number itself, it is called prime number. Example, I have 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 1 is the factor of 2, 2 is the factor of 2. So 1 I am having as a factor and the number itself is having a factor, then it is called a prime number. And what is composite number? If any number is having more than two factors, the number is called as composite number. Example, we have 4. 4 comes in 1 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. This number is having 4 as a factor, the same number, 2 as a factor and 1 as a factor. So along with 1 and 4, one more number also behaving like a factor for this number, that is having more than 2 factors, then these kind of numbers are called as composite numbers. So whichever the number is having only 1 and the same number itself as a factor, then that is called as prime number. Whichever the number is having more than 2 factors, those numbers are called as composite numbers. So when we are knowing the terminology, when we are knowing the difference, it is easy to solve the problems. A special point, 1 is not a composite number, neither prime number. So 1 will not belongs to any one of this category. Now we will move into the exercise. The first question, which number is the successor of 1, 68, 780? What is the successor of this number? So when successor is there, automatically only one digit will add to successor number. So one digit is nothing but 1, 68, 781. 0 after 1 only. So the successor is 168781. If we are planning for a predecessor, this minus 1. So 1, 68779 is the predecessor. So this is successor, this is predecessor. Now second question. Which number is the predecessor of the largest 6-digit number? In the last session, we already discussed about the largest and smallest 6-digit number. Largest numbers always with 9s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the largest 6-digit number. What is the predecessor of it? Predecessor is 999999 minus 1. So predecessor is always minus 1, successor is always plus 1. So now what is the answer for this is 999, 99 and 8. That's all. Now third question, given some numbers and asking for the successors. 39, what is the successor? 810, what is the successor? 8063, 79,109 and 7,23,999. First question, 39 after 40. So this is the successor. 810 after 811. 8063 after 8064. 79,109 after 110. 7,23,999. If adding a number here, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, 4, 2. 7,24,000. These are all successors and it is ending the third question. Now the fourth question, they are asking the predecessors. So what is the predecessor for 130? 7062, 3000, 1960, 2 lakhs, 100. So always the predecessor we should do a minus 1. 129 after minusing 1 from 130. 7061. This is 9, this is 9, this is 9. 2999. 951959. 99002. 2,99,000. So this is how we solve the successors and predecessors. This ends the fourth question. Now the fifth question is, while explaining, if you have any doubts, please write your comments in the comment section. Definitely in the next session, I will clarify your doubts also. If I am running fast, please let me know. If I am going very slow, that also please let me know. Fifth question, what is the successor of the predecessor of 28,43,268? Question is, what is the successor of the predecessor. They are not asking us what is successor and the predecessor. No. The question is, first you need to find out the predecessor, then what is the successor of this predecessor. So we'll go with the predecessor first. Given number two 843,268. So what is predecessor? Before number. That means 2843,268 minus 1, which is 2843,267. Now what is the successor of this number? What else? The same number. 2843,267 plus 1, which is the given number itself. 2843,268. Right? What is the successor of the predecessor of 28,43,268 is 28,43,268 itself. Now moving on to sixth question. Sixth question, give the predecessor of the predecessor. We need to find out predecessor of the predecessor. So given numbers 29, 791, 8001, 24,68,928. Okay, 298. Now, what is the predecessor? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and everywhere minus 1. This is 28, 790, 8,000, 24,68,297. This is predecessor. Now we need to find out predecessor of predecessor. So again minus 1. 27, 789, 7,999, 24,68,296. That's all. Now the seventh question here. Give three consecutive numbers after 4,09,899. What are three consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are nothing but next three numbers, next three successors. 4,09,899 is the given number. So what are the successor of this? Is successor 1, successor 2 and successor 3. 4,09,900. What we did? Plus 1. And this plus 1, 4,09,901 and 4,09,902. The next consecutive numbers are 900, 901 and 902. So if we know the meaning of the question, it is very easy to solve it. Now, eighth question. The eighth question is, give the three consecutive odd numbers preceding 1, 2,4,50,806. 1,24,50,806 is the given number. What are the three consecutive odd numbers? Odd numbers and even numbers. We have not discussed this, the odd numbers and even numbers, in this class, but I have already given an information in my previous sessions. What is odd numbers and even numbers? What is odd number? Whichever the number, when our dividing with 2, if we are getting a remainder as 1, then that is called as an odd number. When I am dividing a number, if it is giving a remainder as 0, then it is called as even number. So even number, when we are dividing with 2, that gives a 0 remainder. Example, 10 we have. If I am dividing with 2, 5 2s are 10, then this 10 is called as even number. And when I have 11, if I am dividing with 2, giving a remainder as 1, then it is called as odd number. So now the question they are asking is 3 odd numbers we should tell, that too in the preceding, not in the successor. Preceding is nothing but backside, before numbers. So now given number 1,24,50,806. Now what is the predecessor of this number? 1 lakh minus 1. 1 crore 24 lakhs 50,805. And the next predecessor 1 crore 24 lakhs 50,804. Next 1 crore 24 lakhs 50,803. Sorry for the confusion, guys. 1 crore 24 lakhs 50,802. 1 crore 24 lakhs 50,801. Why I am writing these many numbers? Because we need to write the odd numbers. Odd numbers. Preceding odd numbers of this number is ending with 5, 3 and 1. So this 4 and 2 is not the odd numbers. Why I told you the division rules in the last session, do you understood, guys? If you are knowing the division rules, you will understand which number will completely divisible by 2, which number will not be completely divisible by 2. 1 crore 24 lakhs 50,805 is the first odd number, 803 is the second odd number, 801 is the third odd number, which are preceding to the numbers. If they are asking successive odd numbers, then I need to write 807, 809, 811. These are successive odd numbers, but they have not given in that question. So 8th question done. Moving on to 9th now. Name 2 consecutive prime numbers in the whole number system. Prime numbers, the beginning of the session I told you there should be 2 factors, which is 1 and the number itself. Now what are the 2 consecutive prime numbers? 2 and 3 or 3 and 5? 2 and 3 actually the consecutive prime numbers, because we don't have any other number in the middle of it. 2 and 3 we can consider. This ends the 9th question. So remaining questions I will continue in the next session, guys. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. and give your suggestions. Definitely will improve it. Thank you.